Sai Ram. Hello kids. How are you? Hope you all please. Today is an English competition period. Okay? And we are going to learn about scene passes. This is very interesting topic. But the question is, what is scene passage? So let's go students. What is a scene passage? What is a scene passage? A scene passage refer to the one. A scene passage refer to the one you might have discussed or seen before It means you have seen and read the passage before. Okay? In other words, poems, prose that are the part of your textbook. Poems, prose that are the part of your textbooks. Curriculum is known as scene passage. Curriculum is known as scene passage. In other words, we can say scene passage is always coming from your textbook. Where students? Textbook. Sometime passage is coming from your poems and sometime it's coming from your prose. Okay students? Points to remember. Whenever you start reading the passage, you should remember these points. Okay students? It is necessary to read the passage. It is necessary to read the passage at least two times so that a general idea of the passage becomes clear. Becomes clear. It means you have to read at least two times. How many times kids? Two times. So you are able to understand the passage. Okay? Questions are based on the given passage. Questions are based on the given passage. It means all the questions are coming from your passage. All the questions are coming from your passage. Next point. Underline the sentences. Underline the sentences where the answers may be available. Where the answers may be available. It means you have to underline the answers. Okay. So as of now we have covered all the points. Okay. So now the chapter is coming from your new voices. Where student? New voices. And the chapter number is 13. Chapter number is 13. Tenali Raman and the two thieves. Tenali Raman and the two thieves. So let's go students. Once upon a time, there was a wise man named Tenali Raman. Once upon a time, there was a wise man named Tenali Raman. He used to work at the court of Emperor Krishnadev Raya. He used to work at the court of Emperor Krishnadev Raya. One summer night, when the Tenali Raman was about to sleep, he heard the rustling of leaves. The sound came from the bushes outside. It is a hot night. And there is no breeze blowing at all. How can the leaf rustle on their own? How can the leaves rustle on their own? Tenali Raman thought. Tenali Raman thought. Being a wise man, being a wise man, he figured out that some thieves, he figured out that some thieves were hiding in the bushes, They must be planning to rob my house, He said to himself, he said to himself, he thought of a plan, he thought of a plan. He said to his wife, my dear, I have heard some notorious thieves. Notorious thief means known for doing bad things. Okay, the person is known for doing bad things. Notorious thieves are roaming around in our neighborhood. Notorious thieves are roaming around in our neighborhoods. So let us hide all the jewelry and money that we have in the well. So let us hide all the jewelry and money that we have in the well. Okay? Students, now I will tell you this story in short. Tenali Raman was a wise man. Okay, students? Tenali Raman was a wise man who worked at the court of Emperor Krishnadev Raya. Who worked at the court of Emperor Krishnadev Raya. One summer night, when Tenali Raman was about to sleep, he heard the rustling of leaves. It was summer, and Tenali Raman thought, there is no breeze blowing at all. How can the leaves rustling? He was a wise man. He understood some thieves is hiding in the neighborhood. He thought of a plan. He told his wife, there are some thieves in the neighborhood. We can put our money and jewelry in the trunk and put it in the well. Okay, students? This is the... So, in unseen passage, once a story is completed, you have to read at least 2 times. How many times, students? 2 times. Okay? And now I am moving to the questions. A. Read the given passage and answer the following questions. Read the given passage and answer the following questions. Question number 1. What was the name of the emperor? What was the name of the emperor? Yes, students, tell me. The name of the emperor was Krishnadev Raya. The name of the emperor was Krishnadev Raya. Okay. Now I'm moving to next question. What did Tenali Raman hear in the night? What did Tenali Raman hear in the night? Yes, friends, tell me what? Tenali Raman heard the rustling of the leaves in the night. Tenali Raman heard the rustling of leaves in the night. Now I'm moving to next question. Who were planning to rob Tenali Raman's house in the night? Who were planning to rob Tenali Raman's house in the night. Yes, students, who? You know that? Thieves. Thieves were planning to rob Tenali's house in the night. Thieves were planning to rob Tenali Raman's house in the night. Now you have to tell me the opposites word, okay? Give the opposites of the following words from the passage. These words are coming from your passage, okay? Night. What is the opposite of night, kids? Day. What? Day. Summer. What is the opposite of summer, students? Winter. Yes. First one is night and the opposite of night is day. And the second one is summer. What, students? Summer. What is the opposite of summer? Winter. What, students? Winter. Question number C. Fill in the blanks of the following sentences from the passage. Fill in the blanks of the following sentences from the passage. He heard dash of leaves. He heard dash of leaves. Yes, students, tell me. Yes, you are correct. Rustling. He had the rustling of leaves. He heard the rustling of the leaves. Next question. Let's hide all the dash and dash that we have in the well. Let's hide all the dash and dash that we have in the well. Yes, students? Tenali Raman hide all the what, students? Tell me. Yes, jewelry and money. Jewelry and money. Let's hide all the jewelry and money that we have in the well. Okay? Question number D. Write two naming words from the given passage. Write two naming words from the given passage. Yes, student? You have to find out. The first one is Emperor Krishnadev Raya. First one is Emperor Krishnadev Raya. And the second one is Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman. Both the names are coming from your passage. Okay? E. Question number E. Write true or false from the given passage. Write true or false from the given passage. You have to find out which statement is true or which one is false. Okay? Tenali Raman was a foolish man. Tenali Raman was a foolish man. Yes, students, tell me. He was a foolish man? No, it means this statement is false. Yes, Tenali Raman was a foolish man. This statement is false. Okay? It is a hot night and there is no breeze blowing at all. It is a hot night. There is no breeze blowing at all. This statement is coming from your passage. Yes, it is false or true statement. Tell me, students. Yes, you are correct. This is a correct statement. So we have to write what? True. What? True. Yes, it is a hot night and there is no breeze blowing at all. So this statement is correct. Okay. So hope you all understand scene passage, students. Thank you.